Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add music to a post on Instagram with multiple images, a carousel post with the music. Let's launch the Instagram app first and let's try to create a brand new post. Let's hit on the lower center of the screen, hit the plus sign, and let's select the content that we want to publish. In our example, we are going to select these two images of Ferraris underneath. So how are we going to select multiple images? We're going to click on the double square button over here on the center of the right side of the screen. Okay, so let's select these two cars. Let's change the actual contrast. Remember, when you change the settings of the brightness and the saturation, you're doing it individually. Okay, it does not change automatically on both images or on three images on all of them. Also as well, if you want to add another image, all you gotta do is to swipe all the way to the left, and there is another plus sign over here where you can actually add more content. When you finish editing the contrast, now it's the time to add music. If you look at the upper right corner, there is a note icon. You want to click on the note icon. This is where the music is. Now the first setting over here is all the For You pages. This is all the popular songs that people are currently using in any type of videos. Okay, if you don't like any of these musics, all you gotta do is to swipe on the right side, and this is where you're going to find everything filtered by folders, everything filtered by genres, the hip-hop, the rap, the pop music. You can also go all the way on the top and click on the search bar and search for the artist or particular title of a song. When you find the song, all you gotta do is to click add, and then you have the song with your carousel post. When you're at the last step over here right before publishing, the last tip I'm gonna give you here, guys, is that you can change or replace the song from this page. You don't have to go back. If you scroll down to the bottom, you will see that you have an option to replace the song or to remove the previous song that we added. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.